since early morning. The roads are still chock-a-block and the skies have opened up, adding to the woes of those who want to come here. They're already mourning, and the rain and fog and the cold situation is just making it even more difficult for them. Even as I'm speaking to you, I can see more escort vehicles coming onto this street. Not just Congress leaders, but cutting across party lines. Leaders who were earlier part of the Congress party, now who have moved on to the other side, like Mr. Deora, for example. They've all paid their tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Colleagues of his who had been part of his cabinet, now with the Narendra Modi government, they're all coming here, remembering him, remembering UPA 1 and UPA 2, paying their homage to Dr. Manmohan Singh, and also speaking to Mrs. Kaur and Dr. Singh's family members. As I'm speaking to you, I think I see more escort vehicles, and these are also defense personnel who are coming in, because a state funeral has to be arranged for Dr. Singh. That will happen tomorrow. But ahead of that, the family members have to be spoken to as to what are the religious rites that they want to follow. From here, Dr. Manmohan Singh's residence at the Motilal Nehru Janpath crossing, across the road, just about 500 meters is AICC 24 Akbar Road, where his mortal remains will be taken. His mortal remains will be there for the common public to come and pay their last respect before he's taken the carriage with the tri-services in attendance. That carriage will then move towards Rajghat, where the final rites will happen. There will be a gun salute given to him, and his coffin, wrapped in the tricolour, will do the final journey from here at Motilal Nehru Place all the way up to Rajghat. But that's tomorrow. Today his family members are just being allowed to grieve, and the dignitaries coming in to pay their last respect. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and even President Draupadi Murmu were here a short while back.
Steady stream of politicians, of leaders of the Congress party, of the BJP, cutting across political party lines, in fact, making their way to Dr. Manmohan Singh's residence, where his mortal remains have been kept, paying their last respects. Pallavi also joining us. She's been outside the AICC office since this morning. Pallavi, we've seen several leaders of the Congress party trickling in at Dr. Manmohan Singh's residence. Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra were all among them. Tomorrow morning is when we're going to be seeing the AICC office brimming with people, because that's when the common Karyakarta of the Congress party will be able to pay their last respects to Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Yes, and tomorrow also happens to be the foundation day of the Congress party, and whatever arrangements which were being made for tomorrow have all been dismantled, because tomorrow the party, of course, is going to be in a state of mourning, and they'll pay their tributes to the man who was Congressman and the Prime Minister for 10 long years, from 2004 to 2014. So the itinerary is still going to be chalked out, and we are going to get those details in a bit. But for now, what the plan is, and certainly what the party wants, is that when the mortal remains going for its final journey, it takes a stop at the AICC headquarters, not too far away from where his residence is, less than a kilometer. Over there, his tributes will be paid by the Aam Aadmi, the party workers, and not just that, the office staff as well. It's also going to be an occasion where the Congress party is going to own up to their own Prime Minister. If you take a look through Congress headquarters, even now there are pictures of Dr. Manmohan Singh alongside Sonia Gandhi. For 10 long years, this was a team which worked and clicked together very closely. And one of the deepest mourners, of course, would be Sonia Gandhi, because in Dr. Manmohan Singh, she's also lost a very close friend, and this is something which she has often spoken about. And the fact that it was not an easy ride, but the fact that she had a complete faith in him and confidence, equally he in her, and a mutual respect and admiration for each other, which explains why there was political stability for 10 years in the UPA 1 and UPA 2 government. So tomorrow, the mortal remains will be brought at the AICC headquarters, and after that the final journey takes place. We are told that both Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are definitely going to be a part of those final rites which are going to be held tomorrow.
And it's not just Sonia Gandhi. Many political leaders have lost a friend today in the loss of Dr. Manmohan Singh. I request Arunima and Pallavi to stay on with us. Tributes have been pouring in from across the country, from around the world as well. Let's listen.